Okay, so today we got a Tyma acoustic guitar coming in for a neck reglue. The headstock actually broke off after a flight. So what happens is that he tried to check in with a carry-on to carry on his acoustic guitar. So he wasn't able to do that. He has to check in as luggage itself. Yeah, and what happens is that through the luggage, I think the attendant threw the guitar and it broke off. Yeah, so stay tuned to the end. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Okay, so the guitar is done. This is a Tyma guitars v-3 plume. Very nice looking guitar. I'm actually quite impressed with the build quality for this. So it comes with a neck brake right there. Managed to glue it up. Let it sit for at least a few more days. It seems to be holding up. This is 11th from Adario. This is the sound test. Good. Alright, so it's all done. Let me know when you want to pick up. I see you soon. Bye. Okay, that's all for today. If you want to contact me, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.